Welcome to our roundup of the best gas stove options. Whether you need a reliable burner for camping, emergency backup, outdoor cooking, or everyday portability, we've selected top-rated gas stoves that combine power, safety, and convenience. We'll break down each model's key features like heat output, fuel compatibility, portability, build quality, and ease of use, so you can find the perfect match for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal gas stove for you. The first on the list is the Gas One 15,000 BTU propane or butane camping stove. This compact powerhouse is built for people who want flexibility and performance in a single unit. With dual fuel compatibility, 15,000 BTU heat output, and automatic piezo ignition, this stove is ready for action whether you are camping in the wild or preparing a quick meal during a power outage. The ability to run on both propane and butane gives you the freedom to use whichever fuel is available, which is a major advantage for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preppers alike. Despite its small size, this stove delivers impressive cooking power. The 15,000 BTU burner heats up cookware quickly, allowing you to boil water, fry food, or cook full meals without long waiting times. The flame control knob is smooth and precise, letting you switch from high heat to a gentle simmer effortlessly. This level of control is especially helpful when cooking delicate foods that require consistent temperatures. Overall, this stove offers an excellent balance of power, portability, and fuel flexibility, making it a dependable choice for camping trips, roadside cooking, and emergency preparedness. Next up is the Horenaut Propane Stove 2-burner gas stove. If you are looking for a larger cooking surface that feels closer to a home kitchen setup, this 2-burner propane stove is a fantastic option. With dual burner design, heavy-duty cast iron construction, and high heat efficiency, it's built for serious outdoor cooking. This stove is perfect for group camping, backyard parties, catering events, or any situation where you need to cook multiple dishes at once. Each burner provides strong and consistent heat, allowing you to cook with large pots and pans comfortably. The wide spacing between the burners ensures that cookware does not feel cramped, which is a common problem with smaller portable stoves. You can boil, fry, sauté, and simmer simultaneously without interfering with the other pan. The cast iron body is incredibly durable and stable. It holds cookware securely in place and withstands high temperatures without warping. This makes the stove ideal for heavy-duty cooking tasks like deep frying or boiling large quantities of water. The non-slip feet add extra stability, ensuring the stove remains steady on different surfaces. Flame control is simple and responsive, giving you excellent command over cooking temperatures. The propane connection is straightforward, and once attached, the stove provides reliable, uninterrupted heat for long cooking sessions. While it's heavier and less compact than single-burner options, this stove makes up for it with superior cooking capacity and durability. It's not meant to be ultra-portable, but rather to deliver powerful outdoor kitchen performance. Overall, this 2-burner stove is an excellent choice for those who need a robust, high-capacity gas stove for group cooking and outdoor gatherings. Next, the Gas One high-pressure single propane burner. This is not your typical camping stove. It's designed for high-intensity cooking tasks that require serious heat. Featuring high-pressure flame output, rugged steel frame, and large stable burner base, this unit is perfect for outdoor chefs who need maximum power. Whether you're brewing, frying turkeys, boiling seafood, or cooking in large pots, this burner handles it effortlessly. The high-pressure regulator delivers extremely strong flames that heat up large cookware in a fraction of the time compared to standard portable stoves. This makes it ideal for situations where speed and power are essential. The wide burner head distributes heat evenly, preventing hot spots and ensuring consistent cooking results. The steel body is incredibly durable and stable. It holds cookware securely in place and withstands high temperatures without warping. This makes the stove ideal for heavy-duty cooking tasks like deep frying or boiling large quantities of water. The non-slip feet add extra stability, ensuring the stove remains steady on different surfaces. Flame control is simple and responsive, giving you excellent command over cooking temperatures. The propane connection is secure and the overall setup process is simple and quick. This burner is best suited for outdoor use due to its high heat output. It's not compact, but it excels in performance where traditional portable stoves fall short. Overall, this high-pressure burner is a powerhouse option for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who need serious heat and durability. Next, the Chefmaster 15,000 BTU butane portable camp stove. This stove is a favorite among campers and travelers for its simplicity and efficiency. With 15,000 BTU cooking power, compact suitcase design, and easy butane cartridge loading, it offers a seamless cooking experience anywhere you go. It's lightweight, portable, and incredibly easy to set up, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned campers alike. The butane fuel system is clean and convenient. Inserting the cartridge takes seconds, and the automatic ignition lights the stove instantly. There's no need for additional tools or accessories. The flame burns cleanly and provides steady heat for cooking a wide variety of meals. The compact design fits neatly into the carrying case, making it easy to store in a backpack, car trunk, or camping gear box. Despite its small size, the stove accommodates medium to large cookware comfortably. Safety features include a pressure sensing system that automatically shuts off the stove if irregular gas pressure is detected. This provides peace of mind, especially when cooking in outdoor environments. While it relies only on butane, which may be less available than propane in some areas, its convenience and portability make it a highly practical choice for travel and camping. Overall, this stove delivers excellent portability, reliable heat output, and user-friendly operation for outdoor cooking on the go. The last one on our list is the Gas One GS3400P propane or butane camping stove. This model combines the best of both worlds, portability and fuel flexibility. With propane and butane compatibility, automatic ignition system, and compact travel-friendly build, it's one of the most versatile portable gas stoves available. This makes it ideal for camping, emergency kits, and everyday outdoor use. Switching between propane and butane is simple, allowing you to adapt based on fuel availability. The stove produces strong, consistent heat that is suitable for boiling, frying, and simmering. The control knob provides precise flame adjustments, giving you full control over your cooking. Overall, this stove stands out for its versatility, safety features, and ease of use, making it an excellent all-around choice for portable cooking. So that's it for the best gas stoves you can get right now. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.